In this video, I'll be sharing with you step by step how you can add a bank account to Wealthsimple. So from the home screen, select your profile, then you're going to select accounts, then you're going to select link bank accounts, then select add an account. So here you're going to select sign into your bank. From the list, select your bank account. I'm going to select Simply Financial, select continue, and at this point I need to specify my card number and password so my Simply Financial account can be linked. So currently Wealthsimple is trying to log into my account. So at this point you do not want to exit the screen. So the average wait time is about 2 to 5 minutes. So now I need to verify my account. So I'm going to select text and then select continue. So now I'm entering my verification code, then I'm just going to select continue. So this literally took about 2 to 5 minutes. So now I need to select which account I want to link. So here I'm just going to select the no fee checking account, then select continue. So here I'm all set. So if I wanted to add funds, I just select add funds. However, that will take 2 to 3 days and I'm not interested in doing that right now. So select maybe later if that's the option you want to choose. Or if you wanted to deposit, you could just simply deposit. To remove a bank account, you would select the account and then you would select unlink. Let's go back and it will be the same thing for the debit card, right? You'll just select unlink to unlink it. Well, let's go back. Now let's refresh. Let's go back to the home screen. So that's pretty much how you'd add and remove a bank account in Wealthsimple. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.